Hold up, nigga, we smoked up. We smoked that louder than they choked up, they stroked up, yeah. We Astro cousin, we getting it in. My boy got on watch and we getting it in. In the business, real cold, AC, real cold. Them hoes don't know, we smoking on that grill. Big to the reload and I rap so smooth. I guess I gotta get some emotional. What I do with lime green. Them hoes, I can see your clothes, I can see those joes. You can see the river, you can see these flows. I can pop. You can see them holes in your clothes, yeah. All day, every day, we'll be sitting in my nut, nigga, we parlay. Rolling dice, gambling, getting money straight, camouflage, soldier G's, and we real hunting. Straight, lost our jobs, and we still getting paid, nigga. He gon' ride fly, I'ma ride Escalade, nigga. What you saying, Lake Charles in the building? Shouts out to the fucking ghetto children, yeah. I go harder than a fucking brick. Number one drag pick, a nigga fucking right dick. I decided in my mind, I'm a fucking grind, I'm a fucking shot, I'm a fucking lie, I'm a fucking leader, believer, receiver. The girl is a receiver. Yeah. That did go hard. You know, sometimes it be a struggle out shit, right? Niggas just need to vent. They say we doing that real shit, that boosty shit. But I'm gonna tell you like how it is. Back in the day, didn't have shit, niggas staying in the bed, thinking about getting rich from my cousin, paying on my legs. Niggas in the bed, one playing the legs. Looking for the safe, thinking about getting rich, watching San Francisco, shit. Remember that one trick, back in the day, I had fucking J's in the fucking hallway all fucking day, cause a nigga don't play, tryna do the kid and play, so fuck what they say, Fat Five, but it was on the fucking TV, and a nigga like me on TV, watching Carlton and Fresh Prince, got tents, fucking crisscross colors, brothers, what you talking about, there's no lover, yeah, I go so far, what's up, head level, what's up, DJ Kill, what's up, see you through, Mary J. Blige doing the thing, Malcolm X, niggas had on some G-Nights with much respect, yeah, I had goals in a fresh white tee, a sick outfit for the niggas that can't see, we get money all day, we smoking, we chill, like this, we trying to pay these fucking bills, I just say we so fucking for real, like I'm saying so deaf, Jermaine Dupri, see me like I'm a little Bow Wow, trying to get a fucking dog, and I'm a little big hog, yeah, I don't quit, and I love my family, and I love my kids, cause I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big, you heard me? Direct. I gotta do it big, why do it little? Russell, she hit the cream in the fucking middle. She said, boy, punish me, put me in the hospital. You wanna be a wing, you wanna be insane. Now it's going down. Everybody gets going down.
Hold up. I think it's about time we go ahead and get into the Hustler's Anthem. You understand that? Produced by the runner. Main Zane, Drew Brett. We in this motherfucker with Evil Empire. You feel me? Let's get it crunk.
It's time to start running, getting paper, fucking girls who like girls, niggas running, trying to get paid in full, work a 9 to 5 to keep the bills paid in full, nigga grind, nigga come, getting money under the sun, CWB, we make it flex, money on deck, you know what it is, we gotta shine, we gotta grind, we gotta make it, we starving like starvation, them hoes feel that fucking pitch, we grind out and can't make it out, I'm getting shit, all this shit, come with this, 100, we run this shit, gotta grind, they see I'm not gonna make it, but I'ma keep on grinding, keep on shining, keep on whipping, I ain't lying, I'm just getting back, grinding, trying to make it, trying to fall like the Lakers, Kobe Bryant.
I think I'm Kobe Bryant, I'm in the lab like I'm a fucking Green Bay Giant, fucking dude Giant, I fucking eat live, I fucking want a piece of the motherfucking pie. They say why, be like Wiz Khalifa, I be my own nigga, G's in a stack dough. When I get money and I get flow, when I get hoe, when I get cold, when I get dope. Cold hand, cold line, what you talking about I'm in Milan with a nice fat dime. Kanye started making beats and started jigging, getting big this year. So we gonna kick it this year, it's near. We's the fucking best, we's the fucking truth.
Man, let's get it in, man. Start that shit in, man.
Blowing up the truth.
It's the mixtape right here. We start the mixtape.